So we sent an email verification email to my email address, and now I clicked on verify just to make sure, again, I'm not a robot, I'm actual human, and this is the page I got to. So right now my sender email address is verified, looks good, and let's go into next. So I can either send this email right now or send it at a later date. I can schedule a date and time to send it. And this is the way it looks like. I'm going to choose to send it right now because it's just for testing purposes. And another thing you can do is send yourself actually a test email. So this is the email I'm going to send the test to. And I can go right here and see that I got my test email, and this is what it looks like. So that's pretty neat. And the moment I start responding, I'm actually moved over to the actual page of the survey. So you can see what we wrote, market research, how do you feel about Chooka's consulting services? Please fill out this questionnaire. Again, we can customize the design, change the fonts, everything. And answer the survey. Now, if this all looks good to us in a test email as well, we can go ahead and actually send it right now. So we have a success and our email invitation was scheduled. You can also set up some follow-up emails saying thank you after you finish the survey or something of that sort. So you can, if someone also just partially responded, you can add that in. So whoever partially responded, you can send a reminder after 14 days, maybe let's say 3 days, just to be on the safe side. And we want your opinion, that's a reminder. Okay, I kind of like that. We can also see a preview of what it looks like on mobile. So that's pretty good. And I'm gonna save this automation. I kind of liked it. And this one says, thank you for taking our survey. So whoever completed received this thank you message. And again, we can also edit that message.